Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new video on this channel, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to another CTF website. The website is Hack the Box. Well, many of you might have already heard about this website, and if you are new into the field of ethical hacking and penetration testing, then this website is a kind of CTF capture the flag challenges. It has a lot of vulnerable hosted web applications. You have to find the vulnerabilities, and if you are able to find the vulnerability, then you can find the hidden flag inside that web application. And there are also some bug bounty programs running on this website, so if you are able to find out the vulnerabilities, if you are able to capture all the flags, then you will earn some points. Now, if you have already visited this website, or if you have heard about this website, then you must be knowing that in this website there is no sign up page. Yes, once you come to this website, the URL is hackthebox.eu, and on this website you will see a beautiful animation going on the top right corner. There are 4 tabs. One is individuals, companies, universities, and the login tab. If you go down, you will find the join button, but if you click on join, they will ask an invite code. Well, from where do you get this invite code? The interesting part about this particular Hack the Box penetration testing CTF kind of website is that to take yourself inside this website, to sign up yourself, you have to start playing CTF. Yes, the invite code is hidden inside this website, and you have to apply your pen testing skills to find that invite code and invite yourself inside this website. Now let's go back. If I go to login, you will see this is a login page. They'll ask email ID, password, and nothing else over here. So I hope you understood what the purpose of this website is. They have started the CTF challenge for you right away, right as soon as you visit the website. So to log in inside it, to first of all sign up yourself, to get a hacker account of yourself on this website, you have to start penetration testing. You have to start finding out the flags. Now, in this video, we will walk through all these steps through which you can successfully invite yourself inside this particular website and invite yourself to create a account on this website, and then successfully you can log into this website. Now, before that, if you have landed new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to this channel along with pressing the bell icon beside it, because I regularly keep on bringing such interesting tech videos regarding ethical hacking and penetration testing for you. Now, having done that, let's go ahead on our process to capture the invite code. Now, if I write over here sign up, then there is a 404 error, that is, there is no page. Okay, let's get back. Now, before we start, you have to first install this particular add-on in your Mozilla Firefox. If you are using a Firefox browser, then you have to install this add-on. If you are using Chrome browser, then you will get this particular extension for your Chrome browser as well. Now this extension is REST client. This basically enables you to send customized post and get requests. We'll come to this a bit in a moment. So now let's go ahead and start applying our pen testing skills so that we can find the invite code that must be hidden inside this website, and so that we can invite ourselves and create an account on Hack the Box website. So for that, you have to scroll all the way down and click on join. Now, once you're on this invite code page, right click and click on inspect element. Well, if you are a web developer, or if you have tried messing around with the website contents of any web page, then you must be knowing what this inspect element does basically. So once you're inside this inspect element, there are a lot of tools in this, and we are not going to explore all of them. We'll be just focusing on the tools which we will be requiring for this particular exercise. Now, on the top you will find a debugger. You can click on debugger, and then here you will see hackthebox.eu website, and inside that there is a JavaScript file. So here, as you can see, a JavaScript file names. So here there are many files. What's this? Invite. Okay, so what we can do, you have to first explore all these files, and you will find the particular hidden flag or something, some hint you will basically find if you carefully inspect these files. So I think this particular file is of our usage, is of our interest, because name states invite api.min.js. Well, .js is a JavaScript file extension, and .min is basically compressing the contents of the file by removing all the indentations and white spaces to reduce the size of the file so that it is easier to load when a website is requesting for the file from the server. Now, as you can see, this is a single line of complex JavaScript code. What you can do is right click on the name of the file and click on preprint source. Okay, now since it is preprint, you have to scroll all the way down, and on the last line there are many functions. Yes, there are many functions. So over here you can see this is a verify invite code function, and beside it there is make invite code function. Well, we require a make invite code. We want a invite code for us specifically. So what we'll do, we will copy this particular function name and we will go to console, and in console we will type the function, yes, put our open and close braces and execute it. Okay, so as you can see the status code is 200, that means it's okay. Success is 1, that is the function has been executed successfully. Now you have to expand it. Once you expand it, okay, once we have expanded it, we can see there is a data, and this is a string basically, and beside that there is another parameter which says enc type. Now this is encoding type. ROT13 is a type of encoding algorithm, so this message or this data is basically encoded in ROT13. So what we have to do, we have to copy this particular data and then decode it with ROT13 algorithm. So let us copy this data and we will go to some kind of decoding tools. I don't think this is it. Okay, ROT13 decode. Okay, you can go to any website, anything will be there. So here is the ciphertext. We'll paste the data, that is the ciphertext, and here it is. We have successfully decoded the ciphertext to plain text, and so basically this is a message which has been encoded with some ROT13 algorithm. And as you know that ciphertext or decoding and coding, this kind of thing is basically used to hide particular information, and so that particular information can be viewed only by the intended person who knows the algorithm or who knows what kind of decoding techniques they have to use to decode the ciphertext. So we have successfully decoded our text. This is a part of penetration testing. This text was basically secured by converting it into ciphertext. So in the plain text it says, in order to generate the invite code, make a post request to API invite generate. Okay, so this is basically an extension to the basic web address, that is hackthebox.eu. Now the important thing to note is that they have specifically mentioned that we have to make a post request. So in general, when you type anything in the address bar, most of the times these are GET requests. Okay, now post requests are generally made when we type any kind of forms, when we fill any kind of forms, when we like fill our username and password in the login page, or suppose we search for something in a search bar. Whenever there is a user input in a browser, most of the times secure websites use post request to transfer the user inputs from the form fields to the server. So if you are on a login page or on a sign up page, every detail which you are inputting will be sent as a post request, because if it is sent as a GET request, then it is easily viewed the whatever fields you have input in the forms, it will be viewed in the URL, and anyone intercepting the traffic will be able to view your login ID and password or whatever you have entered in the input field. So suppose we try to go to this website with that particular extension which we found, hackthebox.eu, and paste that extension. So this is basically a URL, but if we go right like this, then something is wrong, and that is because this is basically sending a GET request from the browser to the server. What we have to do, we have to we have to make a POST request. So for POST request, we will be requiring this particular extension which I made you install in the first place. The extension is REST client. Now once you have installed the extension, on the top right of your Firefox browser you will find the REST client extension. You have to just click on it, and now once you're on this extension page, on the top side you will find a request header, and here it mentions the method, so we'll change it to POST, and then we will type the URL hackthebox.eu and paste the extension, and over here send. Okay, I missed out. You have to type in https colon and double slash, and now you can send it. Okay, so to wait a few minutes, and you can see the response is over here. So the status code is 200, that is, it has been executed successfully. Now you have to click on the response, and over here you can see headers, and the response is success1, and there is another data. In that data there is a code, and the format is encoded. Okay, now we have to again decode it. This is a ciphertext, is an encrypted format, and we have to copy this and we have to decode it. Now we don't know what kind of encoding has been done on this. It has been just mentioned that the code is encoded. So first let us try this particular previous encoding technique. I think it must be same. Okay, no, it is not the same. Okay, there, let me try base 64 decode, and okay, so the encoding was base 64. Let me just close this. Over here the encoding of the code was in base 64. You can go to any of the base 64 decode websites, or you can simply search in Google what are the automatic encoding or automatic ciphertext detection and decoding. So there are many websites you'll find which will detect the kind of encoding has been done on it, and it will decode it. So generally these two encoding techniques are used by the Hack the Box website. So let's come back. We are in the base 64 decode website. We have decoded it, and here is the code. So this is basically the invite code which was required by you to invite yourself. So successfully we have generated a invite code for ourselves. Now I'll paste it and I'll click on sign up. Let's see if it works, and yes, it worked. Hack the Box says congratulations, and here we can set our username, email and password and create a account. And register. Okay, so the verification mail has been sent to our email account. So let's go ahead and check if any email has come or not. Yeah, so the email verification has come, and let me verify it. Okay, so our mail has been verified, our account is verified, and now let's take a look at the rules. We hope you enjoy our stay here. Advance your skills. Rules. Have a look at our rules here. Connection pack. Machines hacked are located on a private network. In order to connect to this network, begin hacking machines. You need to download the connection pack. Okay, let's go ahead and download it. You can edit your profile. After advancing in the rankings, you can also create your own team from there. You'll also have to look on the rules. So here is the connection pack. So that was it, guys. I hope you liked the walkthrough of how to invite yourself inside this Hack the Box website, how to register yourself, how to create an account, and as you can see, we have successfully registered ourselves. We have successfully logged into the Hack the Box CTF website. Here you will get a lot of challenges. You can solve all the challenges. There are a lot of difficulty based and rating based on the kind of difficulty you will face to hack this particular web application or the vulnerable server. So try out all your pen testing skills to capture all the flags. Explore the website. There is a lot to explore in this particular website. It is a very good pen testing environment to practice your hacking skills. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful for you, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also share this video with all your friends and family. And before leaving, make sure to subscribe to this channel along with pressing the bell icon beside it so that you never miss an awesome tech update from my side. See you in the next video. Till then, have a good day.